I consider myself very lucky to have met Jacob Rafelson in the last year of his life. By analysis, I expected the eye would go down when you put a minus lens on it. Seemed perfectly natural, perfectly scientific. But I not know what the opinion of leaders in optometry thought. And here are the remarks about the minus lens and about near work creating nearsightedness and the use of the minus lens to fix a mildly myopic eye. So you can read this. They begin to suspect that while they're forced to use a minus lens, it's not a good thing. But as optometrists, they almost have no other choice because nobody likes to respond to the concept of prevention when they're 20/60. So these are the two comments about it. These are people trying to prevent nearsightedness. And then this is the article that got to me. Poison glasses. He needs a minus lens, 100%. And he talks about it. Optical poison. He gave her plus lenses in short time. He restored her naked eye vision to 2020. Well, I don't go into these claims unless the person himself verifies. 1938. You want to establish a law that you would be warned about the minus lens before you started wearing it. And then Rafelson says, minus glasses, same trace as poison. Now, you don't have to use a minus lens. We do have to use a minus lens if we get worse than 20/60. That was your last chance. But here's the opinions against it. The only thing I do is to just inform a person that when he's 20/50 or 20/60, if he starts wearing a minus lens, he's going to lose his distant vision permanently. And this is just the opinion